And module 10, the last module, is where we unveil the Mind Body Blueprint Master Plan. So essentially, it's a quick reference guide that you can have at your house, printed off on the wall. You use the Mind Body Blueprint Master Plan to assess what you need in a given moment and then apply one of your favorite tools or the tools that you have learned in this course. So that summarizes this amazing course that we've created, a Mind Body Blueprint, a roadmap to somatic embodiment. Somatic healing and somatic tools and practices are powerful because they change what is happening at the level of the hindbrain, in the body, in the cells, in the muscles, and we transmute that energy. We let go of the past so we can be present and fully connected to who we are. Please subscribe to our channel, hit the like button if you like this video. Reach out to us if you have any questions. We'd love to work with you. We'd love to have you in our Mind Body Blueprint course or one of our trainings, or join our video on demand channel. We're here. We have many avenues to learn and teach this amazing somatic work.